Hello everyone, it's Ryan getting back with another YouTube video. And in this random video I talk about some loud noises. Some people that might be scared of loud noises. Yeah. Like let's just say if you're sleeping and something and hear those loud noises in the background that scare you enough to wake you up. Yeah. Are you a fan of loud noises? Like for example, like in a crowd and they shout some words out very loudly. Like when I was in elementary school, I didn't like it when the students just scream very loudly. Like other examples, fire drills, like in school, which happens to be the worst thing about being in school. What I really hate about being in school, those loud fire drills. Whether they were scheduled, which I don't know why fire drills have to be scheduled. Like there are times when fire drills have to occur, or if they're unintentional, like if someone accidentally pulled a fire alarm. Yeah, that happens to be they happen to be the worst thing about being. What I really hate about being in school. And something similar like smoke alarms, like at home, where if someone is cooking something in the kitchen and it's smoking and they're accidentally overcooking something, like if they burned something. Yeah yeah smoke alarms can occur easily, which could frighten someone. Yeah, like other noisy things that could make you feel deaf or something. I don't know, maybe loud horn sounds, like if a little kid plays a loud horn or something, volume up. Oh, and also on a rainy day, if you hear thunderstorms, like really loud thunder noises, like while sleeping, yeah, they can scare you. Like especially if you're little, or babies especially, yeah, they get scared easily, for sure. Yeah, loud noises that they can scare the heck out of them. And maybe let's say loud YouTube videos. Like I remember watching that one really loud video with headphones on and the volume was turned on. Yeah, all the way up. Yeah. And also the Scary Maze game. Like I remember when those kids play those games with the volume all the way up, yeah, they get scared like crazy. Yeah, I remember those kinds of videos. Yeah. Well, any other examples of those loud noises that you know of? Yeah, are you a huge fan of loud noises? Which, to be honest, I'm not. But yeah, a bit of an interesting topic to talk about in this video. So yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.